Here is the double-digit North American roulette. I will explain this to you tomorrow. Here is the division. If we divide 360 by 37, we get 972, 972. When we divide 360, okay, in fact, the answer is 972 blank. When we divide it by 37 numbers, we end up with, 38 numbers, we end up with 9.4736841. The hand of God, I am. So I'm not really sure what these numbers are, but I'm going to show you how perfect this is. I have an obligation to divide it by 35 because the whole section of wheel is 37, 37, 39, 39, 37, 39. So I'm dividing it because the wheel is 35, 37, 39. How so? The first and last number between 1 and 36 on the wheel is 37. Between 2 and 35 is, between 1 and 34 on the left side of the wheel is 35. Between 2 and 35 is 37. Between 3 and 36 is 39. So I'm obligated to divide the wheel between the 18th and the 17th number. And the only way to divide it, these lines come out perfectly to each side of the angle, and it's enveloping 17 and 38. In between that envelopment, I've split the 0, 00, so it splits 0, 00, and 18, 17 is the perfect split. In between, there's going to be 8 numbers, 9 numbers, 8 numbers, 9 numbers. Where there's 8 numbers, I only can divide it between 4 numbers and 4 numbers, between 4 numbers and 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. The 29 and the 12 is the divide, total of 41. The 30 and the 11 is the divide, total of 41. The obligation divide between 4 and 3 on this side. On the outside is 15 and 24, 39. On the outside is 16 and 23, 39. These are all obligations. When I add them all up, I get a total of 163 between here and the total over here, between 32 and 28. Then I get another total, and I'm not finished, between 5, and if I get this right, between 5 and 1 is another total. And sometimes I'm using this 3 for the total, but then when I add up in these two sections over here, 56, 56. When I add in these two sections over here, it's 54. When I add up these 3, it's 51. When I add up these 3, it becomes 50. When I add 18 and 19, it becomes 27. The complete opposite, 7 and 20, becomes 27. I don't know what the story is yet. I'm just putting this together right now. 2 o'clock in the morning, time for bed. When I added up all these numbers over here, that totaled to, let me see, was it 70? I'd like to stop it. There was a total count of 161.53 Pythagorean count. There was a total of 153. Pythagorean count 45. So in the sun, and this is the energy. Here again, 21 and 33 is 54. 21 and 33 is 54. And then when we go all the way to this side, I'm trying to figure out where the numbers are. I'm just trying to see, where did I get these two numbers, 21 and 33? These are the two numbers that are not used up in these boxes, what they're left over. When I pull out the numbers on the other side, I'm not really sure where I am holding my phone, but I'm going to get on this tomorrow, put it on some paper, and put the camera on it, and we're going to talk about it. Here we have an association to Mars. Here we have an association to the cube and the sun. Here we have an association. I'm not really sure. I just, here we get 39 and 39. 16 and 4 is 20. Where's 30? 16 and 23 is 39. Plus 4 is 43. 39 and 42. 32, 49, 54. 31, 49, 55. So there, it's a twisting. I'm not really sure how it goes, but I call this side the flower of life. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. We're going to get on this and do a little bit more tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.